Welcome to Tech News of the Week with your host, James Cameron. Hi, I'm Ned Bellabance, filling in for Jimmy, who is still trying to get the blue paint out of his favorite sweater. Where'd that come from, Jimmy? Anyway, let's get into some tech news. More cloud outages, you say? Microsoft proves me right. Remember when I said there would be more cloud outages in 2023, and also that no one would really care? Boy, is my back sore from all that padding. During a planned maintenance update on January 25th, Microsoft made a whoopsie-doozy with their routers, which caused a multi-hour outage for Teams, Azure, and M365 services. A router update forced a recalculation across the entire WAN, bringing packet processing to a screeching halt. Amazingly, for once, it wasn't DNS. It was BGP, which messed up DNS, so it's still kind of DNS. Microsoft has assured everyone that they've taken steps to prevent this issue from occurring in the future. When I contacted Entropy for comment, it simply cackled maniacally, because there are always infinitely more ways for a thing to be broken than fixed. Your move, Microsoft. Apple looks to release even more expensive phone options. Inflation? Bah. Constant layoffs damaging the consumer's will to spend? Whatever. $2.36 trillion company Apple needs more. Reports are coming in that the Big Fruit will be releasing an Ultra model of their already world-dominating iPhone. Apple's currently highest-priced option, the iPhone 14 Pro Max, clocks in at a frankly embarrassing $1,600. What on earth are the Ultra versions going to cost? The rumor is at least twice as much. Tim Cook is saying people are, quote, willing to really stretch, end quote, to get the best phone they can. And I think another Klarna credit fairy just got their wings. Developer survey confirms devs love Python and hate going anywhere. JetBrains released the results of their State of Developer Ecosystem survey for 2022, and the results are interesting. Garbage language JavaScript continues to be both the most popular and least favorite language amongst developers. Python is a close second in popularity and devs' favorite language, even though it uses whitespace. Depressingly, 91% of respondents identified as male, with Argentina and South Korea having the highest showing of female identifying programmers at 11% and 13% respectively. That's pathetic. 72% listed having no kids, and 54% listed programming as a hobby. And 44% are between the ages of 21 and 29. To you developers out there, I assure you it is safe to put down the bullet coffee, close the lid on your MacBook, and try interacting with organic life forms every once in a while. You think you know about ice, but you have no idea. That's not so much technology news, but still pretty cool. If you ever want to go down a crazy rabbit hole, I recommend looking into the history of ice and how it was basically responsible for life on Earth. I'm not overstating this. The fact that frozen water floats is damn close to unique in nature. Almost every other liquid that freezes sinks, except alcohol. Think about it. We could have been vodka-based life forms, which some arguably already are. Recent research was able to show a new type of ice named VIIT, or VIT, which was created by, quote, using a diamond anvil to squish, very technical, water ice into a tetragonal crystal structure, end quote, which is delirious terminology that I barely understand, but I'm still somehow fascinated by. If there are viewers in the field, please leave a detailed explanation in the comments. That'll do it for this week in tech news. If you enjoyed the episode, please subscribe and tell a friend. If you want more of my talky talk without my facey face, check out the Chaos Lever podcast or sign up for the newsletter link below. Thanks again, and ta-ta for now.